Hello, this is Will from JourneyToWallStreet.blogspot.com. I'm here to do a review of my current portfolio, just taking a look at the things that I have gotten in the last couple of days and why I'm in it and why I like it. So first, let's start with Tesla Motors. So I got into this trade because of an hourly setup. As you can see here, it's kind of a nice pattern across, or a nice base across that area there. That's about 125, 30 or 40 or give or take, somewhere around there. So um, I got in the other day, yesterday, somewhere around here, right before that level. Let me go to a smaller, larger time frame. Yeah, so I got in somewhere around here as it's consolidating below the level. And then this morning, I saw that it I saw that it dipped below here. Let me show you. So it dipped below that level and then came right back up. But if you look at the 15-minute time frame, let me get rid of this line. All it is a pullback to a rising moving average. So I actually added some size kind of around right there to my position that I bought yesterday. And as it was going up, I sold. Where did I sell? I sold somewhere around 128. So sold somewhere around here. And yeah, that's it. I'm still holding to my position. As you can see from my current positions trade, I have 200 shares, and we'll see how far this thing can go. I mean, it might be a little bit extended, but if it continues to base sideways, or maybe it has a follow through day because the volume is pretty decent, then it might be good. I mean, we have earnings, I believe, in 10 days from today, so sometime either next week or early the following week. But it should be interesting to see what happens. I'm in the money already. I made money already, so I'm not really too concerned if this pulls all the way back down, but I do want to keep an eye on it because anything can happen. Next trade, I was in LinkedIn. So I kind of talked about this in my other review where I liked it above 193.50, and I told you that I did not only did I day traded it, but I also have some in a swing, and I still have some of that, but I actually sold. I had 200, but I sold 100 somewhere around 200, so I'm still holding on to it. And similar with Tesla, we want to see if they would have a follow through day. It may retest and it may break above this high, in which case I may add, but there is earnings later this month or early next month, so um, if it happens, it has to happen soon. Another trade I'm in, I talked about this before, is GMCR. I love it below these levels, and I'm currently short about 70.25 is my average price, and my stop is above 71.50. So we'll see if there's follow through to the downside. Earnings is in like 25 days or something, but if we can break below these levels, then I want to look to cover towards down here if we can get there. But like I said, market has been pretty strong, and we'll see what happens. VRTX, I'm in a feeler, just a feeler. I mean, this was basing for quite a while. I mean, we have three months of basing, and it finally kind of broke through. Volume is actually pretty okay, but uh, we'll see how it goes. If it follows through or if it continues to hold above 86. I bought somewhere around. I bought here as my swing, but a little nice flag here. I mean, could have bought this as my feeler and bought this as an ad and see what happens the next day. But we'll keep an eye on this. I'm only in 100 shares, so not too big of a deal. And that's pretty much all. I mean, I was thinking short for quite a while, and I couldn't get that short bias out of my head, and that actually caused me to have one of the biggest drawdowns I had so far this year. Um, I don't know if it was the vacation, the time off, and laziness after the vacation, but I was really in a prolonged slump, and it wasn't until yesterday that I started to get a better feel again for the market and regain my confidence. Even though I was pretty much crushed, well, not crushed, but I was pretty much couldn't get anywhere with my day trades today. I was up here, down there, up here, down there, and I ended up being down like maybe uh, just under 200 for the day. But these swings are actually doing a lot better now, thankfully. And some of my longer term stuff, 401k, GGP, those things are looking better. So those things add to confidence, feeling good, and wanting to actually put in the effort and the work instead of being like kind of demotivated and things like that. But anyways, that's enough rambling for me. Thank you for watching. Hopefully next week I could trade better. Thanks. Bye.